How's it guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you guys about motion graphic templates and how they can help you make really cool things like this. Alright guys, so I use motion graphic templates all the time. I use a website called Envato Elements. It's actually an incredible platform. You can get all of these motion graphic templates and so much more, so go check it out. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to have Premiere Pro open, and in order to install these, some people say MOGRTs. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to call them motion graphic templates, right? To install these motion graphic templates, you are going to make sure that the graphics tab at the top is selected, which will open up the essential graphics tab on the right. It could be on edit, so click browse. If you want to install one motion graphic template, you go down to the bottom here and click this little icon, install motion graphics template. You click it, what it's going to do, it's going to open up the finder. I've got a mess of stuff, as you can see, and this is one that I've just downloaded. You're going to go to the folder where the actual files are, so you got to make sure that you find that thing. So it's not this one, and it's that one. You want to look for the .mogrt file. What you want to do is you want to click on one of them, say open, and now you search for, oh jeez, I got so many. Okay, so this is the problem. This is why I don't like to do it this way, because when you have a whole bunch of motion graphic templates in your library, they can be named similar things, and if you don't change the names to what you want, as I've done, it gets very hard to find it. So this is actually what I wanted to show you guys. I want to show you guys how to install a whole folder, which is so much easier just to track, and this is the way that I do it. So in the essential graphics tab on the right here, you want to click this little hamburger icon. Click on it and go down to manage additional folders. Once you have that, you can see these are all the folders that I've installed already, and click the add button. Once you're in there, you sift through the mess of stuff that you might have on your computer, find the folder that you want, and you want to get to the right folder. So not that one, it's that one. You see here, I can't actually click on the MOGRT files. You can only select a folder. So I know all of the files are inside this folder, so I'm going to select that folder, but I don't want it to be called project. So what you can do here is you can rename it to what you want, which you can see I haven't done. I'm going to call it glowing scribbles. Say okay, and now what should happen is over here, local, there's a little drop down. These are all the folders that you've installed. I can click on glowing scribbles, and now it's only going to show me the glowing scribbles file which I've installed. So that's how to install them. I quickly want to show you how you use one of them. Very simple. I'm just going to add some footage here of this guy, but before I do that, hey, if this is adding value to your life, it's helped you out, please like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it, guys. So I'm just going to add this video here so you guys can see how it works, and what I'll do is I'll drag one of these motion graphic templates on top, wait for it to load, zoom in a bit, and if I hit play, you can see what it does. Now, if we select the actual motion graphics file, go back to the graphics bar, don't click on browse, click on edit, and now it gives you all of the options. So we can position this thing, we can scale it up, the whole thing will get bigger, we can move its position on the XY, change the color to random colors, we can make a glitch, you can change the colors to whatever you want. And most motion graphic template files will have these options inside of the essential graphics bar. Under the edit, you can select them and then edit them and change them however you want. Just one last tip, sometimes the motion graphic template files are quite hard, and some of the codecs are really high, and it's hard for Premiere Pro to render. What is good to do sometimes is you hit I as an in point, O as an out point. If you don't know what that is, I do have a keyboard shortcut video which you can check up there. I'm selecting an in and an out point. Basically inside of the selected area, I want to render into out, or you can hit enter. What it's going to do is just going to render that video through. As you can see, there's a red bar on top, and now it's turning green, which means that once it's green, Premiere Pro can play it through really quick. Sometimes you'll put motion graphic template onto your files and you'll be playing through to watch them, and it will struggle because they are so hard to play back. So just a quick tip, render into out, and then you can play through those motion graphic template files and you can actually see what they'll look like in real time. Cool guys, but that's it. Hope that it helped you. If it did, like this video, subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it, guys. Cool. Peace out.